Welcome to Sunsail World. We're located in the western shores of Pacific, the east of World Factory, China. In the past 4 years, we've been the largest and most professional roof racks manufacturer in China, devoted to provide complete loading solutions on car roofs. Sunsail means competitive, creative, and valuable. We are the original producer as well as successors to high cost. Innovation is always the impulsion of our development. We built many R&D centers in different cities and got lots of patents. And our products exported over 20 countries and areas. Welcome to join us.